What up guys? Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you a before and after of the E30. I'm gonna be getting it painted. It's gonna be Dolphin Grey color, so I'm gonna just be showing you guys how it looks right now. So here we go, let's get right to it. We put this fender on, and I bought this fender because the old fender was dented hella bad, and it'll just be easier for the people at the body shop. There we got that. Walk over here, got all this off. Got the rear bumper off. Also with this right here, I am not gonna put that emblem back on. I already got the two new emblems for the trunk and the hood, but I won't be putting that on. I think it'll look better without it. Took everything off. So there's that. You'll see the door on that side. Here's this door. The back. And yeah, so we got everything off. This is how it looks right now, and I am very excited to get it painted. I'm gonna get some new wheels too. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I'm thinking some BBS's, but I need to get them for a good price. But yeah, there's that. So here's the last time you guys will be seeing this car like this, all messed up. What's good, everybody? Today's the day we get the E30 painted. Let's get it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the body kit out, set it in my dad's truck, and drive it out to the paint shop and leave it there. I don't know when it's gonna be done. I don't really have there's not really a time frame, but I'm thinking, you know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month. I'm not sure how long it takes, to be honest, but I'm super excited. All right, what's up everybody? We're on our way to the paint shop now. It's been about, like, let's say what, like a week, couple days, right? Yeah, like a couple days to a week that it's been in the paint shop. So we're gonna head over there, and then yeah, I'll just show you guys how it looks right now, just like a small little update. Oh, yeah.
That's the idea. I mean,
Yeah. I mean, it's over.
I take the toolkit door out.
Oh yeah, okay, perfect.
Take it around it.
Alright y'all, so what you guys probably just saw is a small little clip of us just checking out the body kit, and yeah, just pretty much checking it out real quick, just see how it is. And they ended up telling us that to bring it home, so just in case, you know, it doesn't get broken or scratched up or anything, just is better to keep it somewhere where if it's already done, bring it home pretty much. So I got it right here, and I'm gonna just give you guys another look and just kind of show you guys that it's here. So here they are. So you can see right here we got that rear bumper. Oh wow, nice. We got the front bumpers right there. They look really clean, and that reflection, sheesh. And then we move over here and we got the side skirts. Look at that. Wow. And a quick little thing I'm gonna tell you guys is we're not gonna put on the door pods because they suck, so that's not gonna be happening. So yeah, we got this stuff here now. What is it today? Wednesday. And I also saw the car too. I saw it. I don't want to give us a little sneak peek or nothing, but I already saw it and it looks amazing. So can't wait for you guys to see it in a couple seconds or minutes. Yeah, they told us to pick it up on Friday, so I'll be going picking it up on Friday, and then just doing little stuff like adding tail lights, adding the smiley lights and just a lot of new stuff that I need to add, just small little stuff, and then show you guys how it looks when it's all finished. So yeah, I'll be back when the car is here at my house. Here it is, everybody. The new paint job. Tell me what you guys think. You guys like it? I love it. I actually really love it. I think it looks nice. I can't wait to put on the new wheels. And I mean, it's just it's a little more stuff that has to be on it, like the moldings on the side too. We got to put that on, but I just wanted to show you guys already. Like, I just wanted to put it out there. I waited a while because I did the installation video, which is coming out after this video, I believe. So that'll be coming out soon. And yeah, I mean, other than that, it looks nice. I put the smileys on, the smoke taillights on the back, which I got a video for that too. And I mean, yeah, it just, wow. I'm looking at it right now from here and I'm just amazed. I love it. I mean, you can't even tell that it was like the other color. You know, the other color it was, it's just like, it's totally different now. So I really like that, and I really enjoyed it. Shout out to the body shop who did it. I believe it's Express Auto Paint in San Jose, California. So yeah, I mean, shout out to them. They did a good job on it, honestly. And yeah, I mean, I'm excited to see what I'm gonna do with this car. I want to get some BBS RSs on it too, but they're kind of pricey, so I went with some Rono LSs. And I'm gonna be getting new tires soon too, so I will be installing that maybe next week. I'll do a video on that too. But yeah, I mean, this got me really excited. Finally, like, it doesn't look like a straight trash car. Like, it actually looks nice now. We're gonna be working on the suspension a lot. That's the next thing coming up, so I'm gonna be getting started on that soon. And then, you know, the thing I really want to do, I wanted to put like a S52 on it, but I might just turbo this one. So I might just get the turbo on it, like a nice turbo kit. I think that's the final goal. So yeah, I mean, just stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. Hope you guys like how it looks now. I'm gonna be taking a lot of pictures on Instagram now for sure, because it actually looks nice. And like I said, there's still minor tweaks, little things we got to do here and there, but overall, it's just, it looks great. It looks amazing. I'm happy with it. I can't wait to start driving it around. I haven't even really drove it around just because I've been waiting to put the wheels on, and just I need to get a nice little tune-up on it too. So it's gonna take a while, but I mean, for right now, I love it. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope you guys are ready for all the other ones that are gonna be dropping soon. Everything I'm gonna be doing the E30, it's gonna be good. So yeah, if you guys like the video, click the like button. Make sure to share this video with, you know, people that like E30s, with people that are into cars, all that stuff. Just go ahead and share it. Comment if you have any questions, or if you have any other comments. And lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. A lot more content coming, so press that sub. See you guys in the next one. Peace.